So we have the different kind of testings will be there. So what are those testings? Means baseline test and peak load test and spike test and stress test and endurance test. So and we have other also some failure test. Some companies calling as a QoS test, nothing but sub failure condition test and batch testing. Batch test, nothing but sub volume testing. So if you are doing for the any kind of performance testing means we need to perform these all things. So baseline test, peak load test, spike, stress, and endurance, and failure, and batch test. So baseline test, nothing but so in NFR we seen right like baseline load actually as per 2023. So for current year load you need to test. So you need to design the scenario same how we are designing controller, right? Same way you can design and minimal users like only for 2023 like that load how much you want to. So you need to execute for the base load. So it's nothing but it is a baseline. So peak load nothing but already I told right we have the n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3. So means 2023 24 25 26 means up to 26 we need to do the testing. Okay, in the 26 in 2026 year maybe it is load will be more also our application working fine or not we need to test. So that is why we can consider as a peak load test is the X, 1x load. Okay, 1x load. And spike test nothing but, so peak load test is 1x, right? Spike test nothing but we need to execute the load will be 3x. And going to the stress test, we need to execute for the 6 times of the peak. Okay, endurance test we can execute for the 1x load only. And failure test also we can execute for the 1x only. Okay. And batch testing. So that is depends on the batch value. Like it will be like 500K files, 500K or 1 million. So this kind of files will be there. Those files we need to do for the batch testing. So baseline testing, how we are designing, right? Same way, like if you go to the controller, right? Controller is, yeah, it's there. Okay. So this is the controller and design. How you are designing for the, for example, base load, nothing but you are designing for the 10 users, assume. So you need to design for the 10 users, same like this only. For example, base load will be, okay, 20 users, assume. And you are giving for the condition here, every 4 users and 5 seconds. So this ramp up, ramp down and duration, you guys understand or not? Can I explain if you want anything more?
Yeah, Kiran.
Yeah, okay, okay. So any kind of testing you want to do means we need to do for the like ramp up total. For example, total first will be we need to decide for the total users load. For example, you are thinking about is 100 users is a you are doing for the some baseline or peak, you can assume. Okay, whatever maybe. Okay. So now you need to design the scenario using for the controller and as simply you have the performance center also will be there. Same thing we can do for the how we are doing for the controller, we need to design. So if you want design means how to we can design means we have the start users will be there, right? Start users, nothing but a ramp up. ramp up. And we have the duration will be there. Duration nothing but test execution, how much duration you want to execute. And going to the stop condition. Stop condition nothing but stop users. You can stop users. It's nothing but ramp down. Ramp down. So these things you need to design for the yourself. Based on for the load, you need to decide how much ramp up I can give, how much duration I want to execute. But duration, these all things, right? This will be fixed from the each test wise. Baseline test also we can execute from the 1 hour, okay? And peak load test also we can execute 1 hour duration. And spike test also we can execute with the 1 hour duration. And stress test also we can execute for the 1 hour. And endurance test we can execute from the 18 to 24 hours. 18 to 24 hours. Failure test we can execute from the 1 hour. Batch test, right? Depends on the volume. We can execute for the 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So 20 minutes you need to execute. So means any kind of testing you can do for means these are the like stats for the anywhere you can go, for the any company can go, they will follow for the this only. Baseline test, peak load, spikes test, endurance test, so failure test, right? So baseline, peak, spikes tests will be, they will conduct from the 1 hour duration only. Okay, so we'll discuss this one by one. Now we'll ramp up, ramp down, we'll discuss. So now user count they are given for the like how many users? 100 users. So now you need to give for the ramp up. So now you need to design scenario. So if you are doing for the any ramp up, ramp down, not more than 2 minutes. If you are executing for the 1 hour duration test, so don't give for the more than 2 minutes for the ramp up. Ramp up nothing but, for example, now you can observe 100 users. So you need to decide from the every 10 users ramp up in 10 seconds you are given. 10 seconds we are given. So ramp up is how much? 10 users ramp up 10 seconds. So total how many users? Total how many users?
100 users.
100 users. Means every 10 users will be 10 seconds ramp up. 100 users will be how much time it is happen?
3600.
No. See, every 10 users will be 10 seconds is ramp upping.
Yeah.
100 by 10, right? So you are giving for the 100 by 10. So how much it will come? 10 come. 10 into 10, how much? 100 seconds. Means in the 100-second ramp up will be finished. 100 second means how much? 1 minute 40 seconds. So means okay, as per your load, this is fine, because actually what I told, not more than 2 minutes. This is the 1 minute 40 seconds. Means okay, ramp up is fine. And now go to the duration. So duration is a 1 hour duration. Okay, 1 hour duration. Now next what we need to give? Ramp down. Ramp down. So means user will be gradually down. So same thing also you can give. How to you can give them from ramp down, ramp up. Same thing you can give. Otherwise, if you want for the any different way also you can give. For example, just we'll think about we can calculate point of I'm giving for the 5 users ramp down in every 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds. So total ramp down, how much time it will happen? Calculate.
10 minutes.
Sorry?
50 seconds.
No, please calculate. So just formula is there. If you very confusing, right? 5 users, simple formula is 10 seconds happening. So total users how much? 100 users. How many seconds happen? So this is the our formula, right? This is our question.
Yeah.
So now we have the formula simply will be there. This into this by this you can get. For example, means what how it will happen? 100 into 10 by
200.
5. So equal to how much? 200.
200.
Means how many seconds it is happen from the 100 users? 200 seconds. Now if you convert from the minutes, so 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes 20 seconds. Actually already I given from the, if you are doing for the like 1000 or 1 million also, it is not more than the 2 minutes you need to ramp up. But here it is how much it is happen? 3 minutes. So more, right? So that is the way based on for the user, you can increase from the number of users as a ramp up or ramp down. So then what will happen? Same 100 seconds happen and 1 minute 40 seconds your ramp up and ramp down is completed. So now if you go to here, now total elapsed time. Elapsed duration, duration. So now ramp up plus duration plus ramp down. So 1 minute 40 seconds, 1 minute 40 means you can convert for the 100 seconds already we know, plus 1 hour means 3600 seconds plus 100 seconds. So total how much? 3800 seconds. So total 3800 seconds means in our 1 hour, how much? 200 means 3 minutes 20 seconds. So means your test will be finished from this duration. So maximum it will complete this like results correlation. This is there, right? Maybe it will correlate from the another 2 or 5 minutes also it is happen. But as per calculation, elapsed time nothing but this is the elapsed time, including from the ramp up and duration ramp down. So it's clear everyone. So now I am giving for the simple example again. So now total users will be 1000 users. Now you need to design yourself. So anyone can. So for example, ramp up. Ramp up is equal ramp up. So now you need to decide from the like. So every 10 users you can assume. Then what will happen? How much time it is happen? 1000, right? 1000 seconds happen. 1000 seconds means that is a very more. So but as per our ramp up ramp down, it is not more than 2 minutes.
2
right?
minutes.
So now what we can do? Every 100 users. So every 100 users ramp up every 10 seconds. Now you can calculate.
Thousand seconds.
No.
Yes or no? How many seconds? Already formula also there in down.
100 seconds.
100 seconds is correct.
Yes.
1000.
Hmm?
1000, eh?
Why you are confusing?
1000 into
See, why you are confusing? I don't know. Okay. See now, just calculator I will open. Don't worry. Okay. Now, as per this formula, 100 users will be 10 seconds. So, 1000 users, how much? 1000 into 10. Okay.
10,000
1000 into
into 10.
10 divided by how many?
Divided
100 users.
100 units. 100 seconds.
100 seconds. So, you need to calculate like this. Okay. So, now how much? 100 seconds it is happening from the ramp up. 100 seconds means that is good, right? So,
Yes.
1 minute
40 seconds.
40 seconds your ramp up. So this is the very good calculation. So duration again we are giving for the same way. Duration you are consider as a 1
1
hour. Okay, 1 hour. And ramp down. Okay, ramp down. So ramp down will be, so for example, I am thinking about I want to change this. Every 150 users, okay, ramp down every 5 seconds. Okay, every 15 seconds. I'm giving it every 50 seconds. So this one will be yourself, you need to decide how much ramp up, ramp down. So no one will give for the this is the ramp up, this is the ramp down. So we need to decide and we need to give from the ramp up, ramp down. Now we can calculate 1000 into 15 by
100 seconds. 100 seconds.
100 seconds. Is
Yes.
correct only?
Yes.
Everyone will agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
100 seconds only. So means again one means, so depends on the your right. You can design from the like this also we can design. So you can observe here is a 150 users every time it is a ramp downing. Here is a, so no worry, ramp down nothing but so every user will gradually down. So means logout section. So that is a at a time it is happen up, no problem. Okay. So if you increase also no problem. Means this design will be yourself. Okay. I given this is the same and this is also same is. So your choice you can give also no problem. But so you can think about and you need to give for the different way also we can give. Now clear everyone, ramp up, ramp down duration.
Yeah, okay. Clear.
Yes. Yeah, that's good. So now jump to the kinds of testings. So like baseline test. So baseline test nothing but we need test from the average load of the current year load as a N load we need to test. So same way we can design. How we are design here. So that is the number of user will be, okay, think about how much you are, means if it is 100 or 500, whatever maybe, you need to design from the same way, ramp up, duration, ramp down. And peak load. What is the peak load means? We need to test with the average load of the, or we need to test the how the application behavior is going. So that is why we need to test with the peak load is a 1x load. So for example, baseline is a 100. So 100 users. Okay. And peak load is the, we can assume that how much, okay, 150 I'm giving. So now you can observe 150 users will be this. So you can design will be same from this and this. Baseline peak. But going to the spike test. So it's a 1 hour duration. So spike is the 3x means how much load it is come? Assume how much?
3.
450, right? 450, right? 1x is the 150 means 3x into 3 into 150. How much? 450. Okay. And 6x how much?
900.
900. Again 1x will be 150 only. And again 150 only. Okay. So now we can design. So these two design is the same for how we design, right? Number of users will be, you can design from the same. This is the way. Total number of users, start users, durations, and end. That is fine. So like we'll go to the any graph oriented. Okay, yeah. So now we can design from the okay. For example, we are designing for the spike test or anything, right? We can give for the ramp up like this and duration and ramp down. So like means you are doing for the any peak load or spike test and soak test, we need design these things. Like ramp up we need to provide and duration we need to provide, ramp down provide. That is the what kind of test? Baseline or peak load or soak test. Okay. So going to the, we have the some different kind of test. What is that? Spike test. Spike test, how to we can test means we need test the first will be you need to give for the ramp up. Okay. And after that, again duration. For example, duration we need to give it as a 10 seconds. Okay. 10 minutes will give 10 minutes duration. Okay. This language is different. Okay, every like duration will be 10 minutes assume. So after that, again, I want to down this. Again down. And after that, again, spike nothing but we need to test with the abnormal condition. Again, duration. And again, ramp up. Again, duration. Again, ramp down. Again, duration. And again, ramp up. So 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10, 30, 40, and again duration 50, and again ramp down. Okay, and again, so duration, and finally, all users will be ramped down. So we need to design from the like this from the spike test. So means you can observe, don't think about. So this is the nothing but ramp up. This is the duration 10 minutes and again ramp down and again ramp up. Sorry, duration, ramp up, duration and ramp down and duration and ramp up, ramp down. So we need test from the like when it is the we are giving from the high rate, then how the application behavior is going. When we are giving from the like abnormal condition as a 1x load, how the test is going. So for here, we need test with the 1x load. Here we can test with the 1x load. But here is the right 3x load we are testing. We need test with the 3x load. 3x. This is the 1x. Again, you are increasing as a 3x load. And again, 1x load. Again, 3x load. And finally, 1x load. 1x load. And again, here you are executing for the 10 minutes duration. Okay. Again, here also 10 minutes. Okay. Again, here also 10 minutes. Total will calculate. Okay. Here also 10 minutes duration executing. And again here 10. Again here 10. Total how much duration? For example, this is the our test. Okay. Okay. Now we can think about. So 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 means how many minutes? 1 hour duration. 1 hour, right?
Yes.
So means your test how much time it will execute? 1 hour duration execute. So now this is fine. 1x load means how much will go to the our like here. 1x load how much?
150.
150 means your ramp up will be you can giving as a 150 users as a 1x load. We are giving from the ramp up you are doing for the 1x load as a how much? 150. And after that here is the duration. So here 150 and so now here 150, right? 3x means how much it will come? 3x. So 1x,
3x.
where is the 1x? There will be, we need to give it as a 150 users. And here also 150 users. 3x means how much?
450.
450. Okay. So here also 150 users. So already here is a 150 users will be there. Yes, right? So after that, here it is how many users it is coming? 3x load, right? 3x means 450. So we need to give for the how much we there we can give. If you give 2x is fine, right? Because already is 1x plus 2x. How much? 3x. Means this 150 user also it will go to the here and it will execute from the 3x load. Like you need to give from the 300. Now you can calculate 150 plus 300 how much?
450.
450. Means wow, that is the load is the 3x. It's correct or not? Again, you are ramp downing from the 150 users. You are ramp down the 150 users, ramp down. So if you ramp down 150 users, in the 450 users, you are ramping from the 150 users. Or so sorry, we need to ramp down also 300. Okay. If you 300 users down, how many users will be there?
150.
So 1x load, right?
Yes.
Again, you are giving from the 3x load. Means again here how much? 300. It is come. Again 300 ramp down you are doing. Again here is a 150 load. Again here 300 users we are ramp upping. Again here 300 users will be down because every time will be here 450 users. So 300 users down, it will be there 150 users here. Finally, this 150 users also down. So we need to design the scenario like this for the, this is the spike test. So means we are testing for the abnormal condition, like we are giving for the spike and we are giving for the down, spike and down, spike and down you are doing, right? So in the abnormal condition, system behavior, how is going, like 1x load, like average load time, how the behavior is going. And after 3x load, how that system is going. And so we need test from the, this is the way we need to design the load in our controller or performance center. It's clear? So now we'll go to the one more test, stress test. Okay. Stress test. So stress test also. First stress test. What is the stress test? Stress test nothing but we can test with the 6x load. Like we need to find the where is my breaking point of the application. So means for example 200 users will be there and maybe you are doing for the up to 6x load. then what will happen means your very user load will be more. 6x means very user will be more. So maybe at that point of view, my application is breaking or not, you need to check. So how to we can design scenario means, okay, first will be ramp up, okay, again duration, again ramp up, okay, again duration, again ramp up, again duration, again ramp up, again duration, again ramp up, again duration. How many duration will came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every duration we need to execute from the 12 minutes time. 12 minutes we can execute. This is also 12 minutes. So this is also 12 minutes. This is also 12 minutes. This is also 12 minutes. Total how much duration?
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. So now we'll start with the load point of view. So 6x, right? Actually test nothing but 6x. So first you are increasing from the 1x load. 1x load. 1x means how much? 150. 1x means how much?
150.
150. So again here we need to increase from the like test nothing but step by step. Like 1x load, 2x, 3x, 5x, 6x. So 2x means how much it will come? 300, right?
Yeah.
300, right? Because we are not downing. If you down, right, then user will be down. But here increasing all is going. And after that again 3x. After that 2x is completed. 3x. 3x is how much?
450.
450. Okay, 4x 600, right? 5x
750.
okay, finally 6x
900.
900. So we got, right? As per our design, we got or not? Means
Yeah.
so first we are testing with the 150 users, and 150 users how it is going, and after that 300 users, 2x load and 3x load, 4x load, 5x load, 6x. So means we are stressing like where is the my breaking point of the application. So 1x time it is my application is breaking, or 2x time, or 3x, or 4x, 5x, and 6x. Maybe you are observed that for here only in the 5x load 750 users, your application is you are like executed, and after that like how many minutes here 60 minutes, right? 60 minutes here 48 minutes you are observed your application you are getting from the 500 internal server error. Means application is not available, means your application will be crashed. So you need to give from the like as a client you need to provide the, so in the 5x load as a 750 user point of view your application is crashing. So could you please increase from the your configuration details, CPU or memory or network, this all things we need to increase, then your application will be good. We need to give for that. Okay, already we know, right, up to 900 it is a fine as per our design. So 900 also we are getting for the every transaction response time could be same like as per our SLA we are getting, then our test is good. Maybe you are not getting from the response time not good, then we need to check from the like it is CPU utilization, it is a memory utilization, you need to check. Okay, so we'll join again, we'll continue or we'll stop for today.
Today stop, tomorrow happen.
Okay, we'll designing, we'll see the real time also how we can design from the this scenario. Okay, in spike
Okay.
stress we can see tomorrow class. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Bye, everyone.